Alright, in this video I'll show you guys how to switch your Instagram account to a business or personal account. But before we get started, please like and subscribe and comment your favorite food. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so first thing you want to do is go to the top 3 lines on the top. Click that. And scroll all the way down till you see account typing tools. Now that you're here, click on switch to professional account. Now click next and just select whatever you want. So basically I'm gonna select mine as video creator and click OK. Wait for it to load. And now it's gonna say what type of professional are you, and I'm gonna just click creator. Click next, and now you're done. Alright, so if you want to switch back to personal, just go to the search bar and click creator. Oops, creator, tools and controls. Now that you're here, click on add, now click on switch account type, and you can switch back to personal.